If your small space feels unwelcoming, here's how Contemporary can fix it. This is the layout of our subscriber, Olarte. Right now, his space looks bare and unwelcoming, making it difficult to style. But that's what we're here for. We'll be giving him home a fresh update with a contemporary minimalist style. Also, if you need urgent design, visit our website at www.designburst24.com. Let's start with the living area. You might think this unfinished loft is flexible enough, but without the right layout, it can still feel bare. So in this open space layout, the living area was redesigned with 2 functional zones, placed thoughtfully for better use of space. This modern contemporary minimalist interior uses a soft neutral palette with bold accents for contrast. Let's begin. Since the loft house, you can go with high cove ceiling, where the flat surface is installed with recessed pin lights and track lighting, while the edges curve upward are lit with LED cove lights, creating a soft transition toward the walls, which have the same off-white color as the ceiling. For the flooring, you can install matte white porcelain tiles, easy to maintain and brighten up the space. Now comes the furniture pieces. The main seating zone features a low-profile modular sofa priced at $300, provides ample seating. It's styled with warm, earthy-toned pillows and a throw. Pair it with a minimalist rectangular table with curved edges to allow for better circulation. Underneath, a light-toned rug with black patterns unifies the seating zone. Next, on either side of the sofa, a sleek black side table was placed on the right and a round pedestal table on the other to soften the edges of the space. Now, bring in small pieces, vases with plants, and 2 oversized abstract artworks that complement the neutral and bold palette. For lighting fixtures, you can place a dome-shaped table lamp and a dual-cylinder floor lamp. These are often used in modern interiors for their clean lines and soft lighting. Now let's move to under the stairs media wall. Start by adding a low-profile modern console with a wood veneer finish and matte black base. Above it, you can place your flat-screen TV and along with some small pieces. To complete the setup, a minimalist table lamp with an oval-shaped shade adds a subtle glow. Since this living area has double windows on a high wall, it features tall, double-layered curtains that enhance the sense of spaciousness. Also, a Dracaena plant was also placed in the stairwell corner, ideal for areas with indirect sunlight. So if you're working with a space like this, focus on layering carefully and prioritize comfort. This is what the space looked like before, but how did we turn it into a warm, practical dining area? In this layout, the proportions are still right even if the space isn't big enough. Still, it can comfortably accommodate simple and functional furniture. This dining area is positioned under a loft, which has a low ceiling. So in vertical wood panel, in a warm tone, you can add recessed pin lights that create a soft, intimate glow. Next came the main furniture. You can use rectangular table with slim metal legs, maximizing space while remaining functional. It's paired with 4 woven back chairs with orange cushioned seats, tying in warmth and color. To bring in a bit of style, some simple tabletop decor was added. But something still felt missing, so a pendant light with 2 round globes was installed above the table, softly framing the space. The dining area is now set, but there's still extra space where the kitchen sink used to be. You can now turn it into a console area where modern console table with a dark-toned base was placed. Then, a slim vertical mirror with a built-in LED frame is mounted above the console. Lastly, a few minimal decorative pieces and artistic figurines complete the look. Now, this dining space shows how every element, whether a finish or furniture piece, was carefully chosen. This area used to be an extra setback space, but what if you could turn it into an enclosed room that's both modern and efficient? So, let's walk through the design of this extended kitchen and laundry room with a well-planned layout. First, when it comes to base finishes, from floor to ceiling, match the living area, creating a cohesive look. So let's now focus on the layout, using U-shaped maximizing the area. For this counter, the countertop uses a clean white solid surface. It's seamless and stain-resistant, while you can install light wood laminate base cabinets run along the layout. Then, the built-in fixtures are placed thoughtfully along the counter to support an efficient workflow. Since there's still enough space above, so an upper cabinets were added featuring glossy laminate finishes with textured glass fronts and open shelves for display. Then the range hood is built into it above the cooktop. Now, at both ends of the counter, a front-load washing machine at the end near the entry was added, while the refrigerator is placed on the opposite side. Of course, the room wouldn't be complete without daily use kitchen and laundry items, which neatly organized and recessed strip lights are installed beneath the upper cabinets for extra brightness. Now, the layout is divided into zones, the left side for laundry, the center for cooking, and the right side for cold storage and prep. So with smart built-in solutions, everything works smoothly. This subscriber's space started as a simple loft with a bare concrete floor and exposed ceiling. But even in a setup like this, it's possible to transform it into a warm, functional bedroom. Since it's a loft, the ceiling is connected to the living area's high ceiling and shares the same lighting fixtures. To bring warmth into the room, warm-toned wood flooring was used. For the walls, a light flat panels with dark vertical inlay accents were added, perfect for minimalist interiors. Then, for the sleeping zone, the wave-patterned accent panel adds elegance to the space. So, you can now add the main furniture. Start with a double-size upholstered bed, and to keep it cozy, layer it with soft neutral pillows and bedding. Then, ground it with a soft off-white low-pile rug, large enough to extend beyond the sides of the bed. Now add the storage. An overhead storage cabinet is a perfect choice. Extend the design with a full-height wardrobe on the right side, built flush into the wall to maximize vertical storage. But instead of stopping there, a $200 tufted curved bench adds both comfort and function. Beside it, a round pedestal coffee table is used as it doesn't visually clutter the space. The homeowner also requested a study nook, so place it across from the bed, featuring a floating wooden desk built into the wall. It's paired with a slim upholstered task chair, which is soft and space-saving. Above it, a wall-mounted upper cabinet provides extra closed storage. Now, you can display or store personal items throughout the room without causing clutter. Also, add a large framed art print to balance the desk wall and potted indoor plants for added life and natural texture. Complete the room with an LED strip light to brighten the space, along with a minimal black task light. Lastly, a sculptural standing lamp with 3 diffuse light gives off a warm glow at night. In the end, true coziness doesn't come from having more things, it comes from thoughtful, intentional design. Let's now take a tour of the complete makeover. Also, if you need urgent design, visit our website at www.designburst24.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another design tips.